What's up, guys? I'm really happy to see all of you again today. Thank you so much for coming back. I am really excited to share with you my new video. This video will be about authentication. I will teach you how you can create authentication with your Next.js project in Firebase. If you are ready, then let's get started. First, we have to open console firebase.google.com and create new project. I've already created one in advance. I call it auth nextjs. Then at the left sidebar, select build and then select authentication. Once new page fully loaded, click get started. On the next page, you will be able to select sign-in methods. It could be Google, Facebook, Microsoft email and password, and so on. For this tutorial, I'll select Google and email and password, just for example, but you can select as many as you like. To turn on the method, click on it and then click this toggle enable. Then in your list, you will be able to see sign-in providers. To turn on Google sign-in method, you also have to provide support email for project. It will be your Firebase Google email. Once you're ready, click the Save button at the bottom right corner, and you will be able to see all your sign-in providers. After that, go to the project settings and set up your application. Click on the project settings, then scroll down and select Web App. Give the name for your web app. If you want to set up hosting at the same time, click this checkbox, also set up Firebase hosting. Then select the project that you've created in the previous step and click Register App. After a few seconds, you will be able to see settings for your SDK that we will be using inside our Next.js project. So you need to save this data for future steps. For the Next.js project, we need to use NPM version. Keep in mind this data should be kept privately. Instead of hard-coded, you can use environment variable. However, in my example, I will just hard-code it for make it simple. Then let's go to our terminal. I'll create Next.js application. Then I need to install Firebase package by using npm command install Firebase. Okay, let's open our IDE VS Code. First thing that we will do, we will create Firebase.js file. Inside this file, we will have our configurations. You can copy my code. I will leave the link into GitHub project under the description. Then replace Firebase config with your data. Okay, let's create one more file. This time we will create authentication context. The authentication context provides a way to share authentication state like the current user and authentication functions like sign in and logout across your entire application, so you don't have to pass props manually at every level. Then we have to go to our layout.js file to wrap our entire Next.js application with auto provider. This ensures that the authentication context is available throughout my application. It will allow any component to access the authentication state and functions. Don't forget to import our component at the top of the script. After that, let's create a login component. This component will use the useAuth hook to access the sign-in function from the authentication context. It will allow users to sign in with Google. Okay, now let's open page.js file. Let's import our component and context first, and then we will modify the code to protect our content. So basically, we want to show the content only for people who sign in. Don't worry if you can't follow up. I'll share this code in my GitHub project. Yeah, let's restart our application and see what we get. Unfortunately, I see the error. Let me figure out what's going on. Seems we have some problem with our context. Let me move it into separate folder in case there is any conflict with other files. Also, I will move Firebase.json file into main application folder, just to keep everything in one place. And the final step will be we need to add use client directive at the top of our page.js file. We will need it to declare that the component and its children should be rendered on the client side. Okay, seems there is no error anymore. let's check our application. Okay, seems the page is working. Let's check our sign-in form. I'll try to select any of my Google account and try to sign in. Cool, finally I sign in and now I can see my content. Perfect. Let's check another tab, and seems everything is working here as well. We can sign out, and then we will be signed out from 2 tabs. Perfect. That's it. I hope you like this video. I hope you find it useful and informative. If yes, please click like. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I hope to see you in my next Firebase videos. Bye.